You are weak. Not because your mother wanted you weak, but because you stayed in the comfort she gave you for too long. She loved you. She protected you. She tried to keep you safe from pain. But life doesn't make you strong through safety. Life makes you strong through challenges. And when you grow up without facing enough of them, you enter the world unprepared, lost and softer than you should be. She picked you up whenever you fell. She solved your problems before you even learned to face them. She tried to make your life easier because that's what her heart told her to do. And now you're here, an adult on the outside, but still carrying the habits of a child on the inside. You run from hard things. You break under pressure. You feel empty but don't know why. You look at stronger men and wonder what they have that you don't. It's not luck. It's not genetics. It's not talent. It's the pain they embraced that you avoided. You're not weak because of her love. You're weak because you never stepped out of it long enough to learn how to stand alone. A man isn't built in comfort. A man is built in struggle. Strength grows when nobody is holding your hand. Courage grows when nobody steps in to save you. Confidence grows when you look at a problem and decide, this is mine to solve. And for too long, you've waited for someone else to make your life easier. But that time is over. Nobody is coming. Not your mother, not your friends, not fate. Every step forward now depends on you. You need to understand something. A mother's job is to protect a child, but your job is to become a man. That means facing things you're scared of. That means doing what's difficult. That means letting go of the excuses that kept you small. You don't need more comfort. You don't need more softness. You don't need another person telling you it's okay to give up. You need fire. You need responsibility. You need the courage to choose the harder road, because the harder road is the one that will grow you. One day, you'll look back and thank life for the moments that felt heavy, the moments that shook you, broke you, tested you, because those moments will build the strength you always wished for. The world doesn't need another boy pretending to be a man. It needs a man who can stand on his own feet, even when nobody claps for him. A man whose heart doesn't collapse every time he feels pressure. A man who knows that strength is earned, not given. And you can be that man. You can rise. You can grow. You can change everything the moment you decide to stop depending and start building. Your mother gave you love. Now give yourself strength. Show her that her son is not weak. Show her that she raised someone who can fight, someone who can handle life, someone who can carry his own weight without breaking. Your past is not your cage. Your comfort is not your identity. The fear you feel is not permanent. It's a sign. It's telling you it's time to step out, time to toughen your mind, time to push your limits, time to stop running from the man you know you can become. Every strong man you admire once stood exactly where you stand now, weak, uncertain, scared. The difference is simple. They decided to grow. You can decide the same. You're not weak because of your mother. You're weak because you stayed in the comfort she gave you. Now step out of it. Now build yourself. Now rise. Become the man you were meant to be. So this is where everything changes for you. Not yesterday, not someday, but now. You don't need to blame your past or hide behind the comfort that once protected you. You only need to take the first step toward the man you want to become. Stand up, breathe deep, and walk forward with a new fire in your chest. Because the moment you choose strength over excuses, that is the moment your real life begins. This is the point where you stop living as the boy you were and start becoming the man you were meant to be. Your past doesn't define you, and your comfort doesn't control you unless you let it. You have more strength in you than you've ever allowed yourself to see. So step forward, claim your life, and let every challenge shape you into someone unshakable. The world is waiting for the stronger version of you. Now, go meet him